Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna plant some Filipino eggplant over in Hawaiian aquaponics. Check it out guys. We got Filipino eggplant. I planted one already. This is my aquaponics flower bed or aquaponics bed. He's got me a little shovel here. Then I'm just gonna dig down in here. So what I tried to do is I dig down till I see the water. Check it out right here guys, see the water. Then I know I'm deep enough on the aquaponics there. I got one eggplant here. Squeeze it a little bit and tip it out. Roots look like this. So I put it right down in the water. Alright. Don't get too close, you just take it back out. Move the whole way over a little bit. Try to stay away from your drain so the roots can pull them up. Toss it right in there. Cover up with black cinder. I'm using black cinder here guys. If you check out my other videos, you'll see that I'm using black cinder for my grow beds. And I have some red cinder over here in the way bottom. But you could just use black cinder. So I got some eggplants growing. And I also got some manila lettuce down there growing. That's how you do it guys. Put some Filipino eggplant in there, dig them down. And cover them up with black cinder. You want to make sure that they're covered all the way up. Kind of protect the roots and stuff from the sun and from it drying out. Just move them up on your cover them up on your grow beds there. That's it guys. Planting Filipino eggplant in aquaponics. Thank you. Hit the like button and subscribe.